check the oil on the old 3rd gen. Gotta go hook it up to the gooseneck. Ryder's back there in the Dewey dumping soil. He's gonna come back up here and get the skid steer so I can get loaded up. First cold start of the season for the old Dodge. Oh, nothing to it. She ripped right off. Of course, it is like, I don't know, 50 degrees, so I probably shouldn't be that proud, but I'll take it. What kind of day are we gonna have, Ryder? Oh, scared to say. Yeah, I heard that. It's nice and clean up here.
I mean, I'm sure it's gonna be no problem. Right?
Oh yeah, no problems today. No problems for us today.
Be out of there early.
I bet we're done by noon. What time is it? It's 10:30. Think we can get her done by noon? God dang. Like $12 worth of diesel you just spilled.
Clean it off.
Well, don't. She'll start falling apart. Well, we've been at it about 4.5 hours. We have moved roughly 175 yards or so of material. It's got to come up a lot. So, oh good, I left the excavator running. Anyway, we're getting her moved. You gotta get better at this. Well, it's day 2. I'm by myself today. Ryder had to take his cousin's pet goldfish to acrobatic recital or something or another. So it's just me. It's like 0 degrees. I think it's actually like 35, but it's all the same. It's cold. So got the freight liner ripped off. Got to move the Dewey. The old John Deere is not going to want to start. It's going to be a good day. Ryder's over there bringing some shell from the side. It is basically cut in. We got a bunch of material around the edge there that we got to use for the slopes. Video doesn't really do it justice. I mean, I'm about 6'8", you know, and it's chest high on me. So working on the slopes. Somebody's dumping some more. Oh wait, I'm driving that. Well, we got everything back home. Got the excavator sitting over here by the soil operation. Probably gonna head to a couple ponds next. But it's all here. Well, we got the pad done. We got everything back home. All in all, I think it went pretty well. Took a little longer than I was hoping it would, but not by much. But they were happy with it. Look at that water coming in. They were happy with it, and nothing broke down, which is amazing. We always have something break down, so that's good. And like I said, we got everything pulled back home, so we're ready for the next one. Do what I can here today, and then we got our loader back up on the old 3rd gen over there and get her ready to ship out to the next job. So that is the game plan right now. This one needs grease pretty bad. Could use some fuel and a good cleaning. Probably need to blow out the filters. Will we do all that? I don't know. Hopefully we can at least get some grease in her and some fuel, because you know, fuel's pretty important if we want to make some money so that we can go spend it